Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be fixing just a small omelet, just a simple breakfast omelet. So I got my ingredients here. We're going to have eggs. We're going to have some cheese. You can use any type of cheese. We have the Mexican style. I have some bell peppers that I've sauteed, some bacon that I cooked crisp and crumbled, and some sausage that I cooked and crumbled. And if you'll follow me over to the stove, then we'll get some of this going. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little butter in our cast iron skillet. Get it to melting there. And while that's melting, we're going to drop a couple of eggs in a dish here. Now I like to go ahead and salt and pepper my eggs before I stir them up to be sure that we get them mixed up good. So just a little bit of salt and pepper. Of course that's optional, you don't have to. I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to whisk them up real good till we get them blended really well. Get all of our salt, pepper mixed in good. Letting our butter melt good in the skillet. Then we're just going to dump them out in the skillet. Like so. Now the secret to cooking eggs in the cast iron skillet is to not fool with them. Just let them sit and cook for a minute before you ever try to fool with them. You can see they're turning done around the edges there. They're getting cooked in. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to drop us some bacon. Just sort of spread it out along through here. Some crumbled bacon in there. We're going to drop us some crumbled sausage in. A little bit more bacon. And a little bit more sausage. And then we're going to drop us a little bit of a bell pepper in. Now to top all this off, we're going to get us some cheese. Let me get that to you. Wipe it off my hand. We're going to take some of our cheese. We're just going to sprinkle us a good coat of cheese on the top. This cheese will sort of seal it together and make it stay together once we get both. Notice how I'm mainly just putting it on one half of the egg there. That's because so we can fold it over easier and make it stay together. Grab me a plate because it won't be long now. Just sort of get under it here. And we're going to just sort of fold it over. We're going to fold this over. Just smash it down so we get that cheese melted, because that's what's going to, like I said, hold it together. So we can turn it over again. About ready for breakfast. It's looking good. Alright, we're going to try to flip this bad boy over one time. See how brown it is on the other side there? That lets us know that it's done all the way through. We just flip that over with it. Let it cook for a minute on this end. Set the plate here. We're going to set her, got her plate there, and now we're going to just slide it out onto the plate. Just catch it under there, just slide it out. right there. And there you have it. A simple breakfast meal, quick, easy. If you would, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share the video, comment. Please come back and see us for the next one. We appreciate it.